I know you did the last video, but I really like the script, and
Okay.
I'd really like to do this video this time for this listing.
Well, yeah, but you know, the last one did so well.
Yeah, I understand, but I want to be back in the spotlight. Okay, I need it.
Well, you haven't even remembered the script yet.
Yes, I have. That's just now you're just BSing. Okay, I can't work like this. I cannot work like this.
All right, well, practice. I'll be back.
All right, we'll talk about this later.
I'm gonna go get a coffee at the village.
We'll talk about this later.
Yeah.
Well, hurry up, because Matt's gonna be here soon. So
I'll be back. Introducing 301 Taurus Avenue. First time on the market since 1966. Remarkably, this property survived the 1991 Oakland Hills fire, marking it as a symbol of resilience. A true hidden gem in the scenic Oakland Hills, nestled amidst the lush landscape of Montclair, this cottage-style home exudes timeless charm, brimming with potential. Come check it out.